I've got a best kept secret for you. Pneumatic cylinder sensors, and I want to talk specifically about magnetic field sensors for use in the packaging, food, and beverage market. In the areas where there's not washdown and there's dry areas, there's a really great collection of automation cylinder sensors available. There are smart sensors with aisle link that allow you to set 8 switch points at 60 millimeters. Then there are traditional universal C and T slot styles that just give you end of stroke position. And then there's even miniature styles for really short stroke feedback and closed loop feedback on short little pieces of automation inside the packaging equipment. In addition, if you have food and beverage washdown requirements, if you have to be able to survive in the wet side of food and beverage, there are sensors available that have PP housings as well as TPEV cables that can survive better and have been tested against Ecolab chemicals. To learn more about pneumatic cylinder sensors for packaging, food, and beverage, and buy online, visit the Balluff product selector and web shop.